Welcome! If you're tired of constant pings from Telegram groups and want some peace and quiet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to turn off Telegram group notifications. This update will make sure you don't get distracted by endless group messages while still keeping the chats you care about active. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. Give that a tap, and a side menu will slide open. From here, scroll down and find the option labeled Settings. Tap on it, and this will take you to the section where you can manage all of your preferences. Inside Settings, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're focusing on is Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and select that. Now you'll notice there are different categories for notifications, like private chats, channels, and of course, groups. Under the Groups section, you'll find a simple toggle switch. By default, it's usually turned on, which is why you get every single update from your group chats. To stop these notifications, just switch it off. And that's it. As soon as you toggle off the button, Telegram will no longer send you push notifications for group messages. This means you won't be interrupted by every random text or photo that pops up in your social or work groups. Don't worry. Your messages will still be there when you open the app, but you'll now have the freedom to check them on your own time. This quick change is perfect if you're trying to focus, save battery, or simply want more control over what alerts you receive. Remember, you can always come back into these settings and re-enable group notifications whenever you want. So, whether you're studying, working, or just taking a break from distractions, you now know exactly how to turn off Telegram group notifications and enjoy a little extra quiet.